Hello everyone, we will show you the cutting and sewing application of JYD X20 ultrasonic lathe machine. The ultrasonic lathe machine transmits ultrasonic waves from the flour reel to the welding surface of the material through high-frequency vibration. It can quickly sew and cut two layers of materials to obtain a finished product that is firmly welded and smoothly cut without burrs. Our ultrasonic sewing machine can directly weld the welding surfaces of various materials. It can simultaneously cut edges, crack holes, and print patterns, forming the product in one go without the need for needle and thread accessories. The melting and cutting surface is smooth without burrs or loose edges. The ultrasonic fabric sewing machine can perform straight and curved cutting, wireless stitching, and strong welding. It is widely used in lace clothing, ribbons, handkerchiefs, tablecloths, pillowcases, etc. Learn more, please follow me.